Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete sections in Weebly. If you're managing a website and want to clean up your layout or remove outdated content, knowing how to quickly delete sections is essential. Let's walk through this straightforward process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log in to your Weebly account using your credentials. This will take you directly to your Weebly dashboard, which serves as the control center for all your website management tasks. Now that you're on your homepage, direct your attention to the left side menu. You'll see an option labeled Website, so go ahead and click on it. This expands the menu to reveal more options related to your website management. From these options, click on Edit Site. This is the gateway to accessing your site's editor, where you can make all your design and content changes. Next, you'll be prompted to choose which website you want to edit. If you manage multiple sites under your Weebly account, select the one you need to work on. Once you've made your selection, look over to the right side of the screen where you'll find an Edit button. Click this button to proceed into the full editor interface. You're now on the editor page of your website. This is where all the magic happens and where you have complete control over your site's layout and structure. Take a moment to scroll through your page and find the section you want to delete. Sections in Weebly are the building blocks of your page layout, and each one contains different elements like text, images, or other content. Once you've located the section you want to remove, simply click on it. This action selects the section and triggers a pop-up menu to appear. This menu contains various options for managing that particular section. From the options presented, click on Delete. This immediately removes the section from your page, cleaning up your layout and giving you more control over how your website looks and functions. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a section in Weebly, streamlining your website's design and removing any unnecessary elements. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.